Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We'll be comparing two top contenders, the Bwine F7GB2 Drones and the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Bwine F7GB2 drones are priced at $619, while the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone comes in at a more affordable $427. So if you're on a budget, the Holy Stone drone might be the better option for you. Now let's talk about the camera capabilities. The Bwine F7GB2 drone boasts a 4K camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens and 120 degrees FOV lens, allowing you to capture stunning videos and photos at up to 3840 by 2160 resolution. It also features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and 5x digital zoom for enhanced stability and versatile shots. On the other hand, the Holy Stone drone also offers a 2-axis gimbal with a 4K EIS camera. This combination ensures smooth and stable footage without missing any details. Both drones provide excellent camera quality, but the Bwine F7GB2 drone's 3-axis gimbal gives it a slight edge here. Flight time is an essential factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Bwine F7GB2 drone comes with 2 intelligent batteries, providing a total flight time of up to 50 minutes. However, it takes about 6.5 hours to fully charge these batteries. On the other hand, the Holy Stone drone offers a maximum flight time of 26 minutes. So if longer flight time is a priority for you, the Bwine F7GB2 drone takes the lead in this category. Both drones come with impressive features. The Bwine F7GB2 drone boasts level 6 wind resistance, ensuring a steady flight even in challenging weather conditions. It also offers a video transmission range of up to 3 kilometers, 9,800 feet, providing crisp images and smooth video. The Holy Stone drone, on the other hand, comes with user-friendly functions such as headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning, making it ideal for beginners. It also offers features like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest for intelligent flights. Safety is crucial when flying a drone. The Bwine F7GB2 drone is FAA compliant and comes with intelligent GPS-assisted features like GPS auto-return, Follow Me, and waypoints. It ensures that you never lose your drone and can fly with peace of mind. Similarly, the Holy Stone drone is also FAA compliant and offers features like emergency stop, smart return to home GPS module, and one key return to prevent the drone from getting lost. Both drones prioritize safety, so it's a tie in this category. Overall, the Bwine F7GB2 drone excels in terms of camera capabilities and flight time, while the Holy Stone drone offers user-friendly features and a more affordable price. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Bwine F7GB2 drones and the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS drone in various categories. The Bwine F7GB2 drone excels in terms of camera capabilities and flight time, while the Holy Stone drone offers user-friendly features and a more affordable price. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.